Name 5 different types of soups: chowder, bisque, puree, broth, cream. Rice is used to thicken bisque. Use rice as a thickener for bisque soups. The difference between white stock and brown stock is blanched bones or roasted bones. Think white. Blanca, blanched, white. Think brown, roasted. Roasted items are usually brown. Blanched is like raw boiled bones. For brown stock, you would roast the bones in the oven. So cooked bones for brown, blanched bones for white. If I core and score something, what am I working with? Coring and scoring is used for certain fruits, vegetables, and meats. Name 5 different types of pots and pans. Rondo, stock pot, fry pan or skillet, saucepan, and a cast iron skillet. A rondo, a wide pan with 6 to 8 inch sides and 2 looped handles. The mother sauce, espagnole, is made with a brown roux. A brown roux takes about 15 minutes to make. A dark brown roux is about 30 minutes. What are the 5 mother sauces? Bechamel, velouté, espagnole, hollandaise, and tomato. What does FATTOM stand for? Foods, acid, time, temperature, oxygen, and moisture. Name the big 9 allergens: milk, eggs, peanuts, tree nuts, fish, shellfish, wheat, soybeans, and sesame. Anaphylaxis is a severe, potentially life-threatening allergic reaction that can occur rapidly. What are the 3 contaminations? Physical, chemical, and biological. Name 6 foodborne illnesses: Salmonella, typhi, NTS, SPP, E. coli, and hepatitis A. I can be liquid or dry. I rhyme with pup. What am I? Cup. What is my weight? 8 ounces. If it takes 4 of these ounces to make one of me, half cup. If you were to measure me, what would I be? A cup. There are 4 ounces in a half cup. I am so small and I look like a spoon. I need 3 to make me. My big spoon would weigh how much? It would take 3 teaspoons to make 1 tablespoon. My big spoon, which is 1 tablespoon, would weigh 0.5 ounces or a half ounce. A 0.5. If I weigh 16 ounces in liquid, what would I be? A pint. How many of me would make 128 ounces? It would take 8 pints to make 128 ounces. If I was a quart, how many quarts would it take to make 128 ounces? It would take 4 quarts to make 128 ounces. 135 degrees is fruits. 145 degrees is steaks and chops. 155 degrees is ground beef. 165 degrees is poultry. 145 degrees for 4 minutes is roasts. 41 degrees to 135 degrees is the temperature danger zone. 135 degrees to 41 degrees is the temperature to cool food for 6 hours. 135 degrees or higher to receive hot food. 41 degrees or lower is the temperature you should receive cold food. 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 gallon equals 128 ounces. 1 quart equals 32 ounces. 3 teaspoons equals 0.5 ounces. 1 cup equals 8 ounces. 4 cups equals 1 quart. 8 pints equals 1 gallon. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 16 ounces equals 1 pint. Again, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 cup equals 6 ounces. 1 gallon equals 128 ounces. 1 quart equals 32 ounces. 1 pint equals 16 ounces. 1 half gallon equals 64 ounces. Half gallon equals 2 quarts. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 gallon equals 8 pints. And a half cup equals 4 ounces. 1 tablespoon equals half ounces. 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons. A quarter cup equals 2 ounces.